Hi Rajadurai,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine.
Okay, this is Varshini from Quality Department. Today I am going to take feedback video from your side. Okay, can you introduce yourself, your college,
Yes.
your native?
Yes. I am Rajadurai. I am from Thuthukudi, Tamil Nadu. I completed my graduation degree in Velammal Engineering College, Chennai,
Okay, Rajadurai, like have you got to know about CMTI?
through Google, ma'am. And my sir also told about it.
Okay, like in CMTI, which course you have taken, Rajadurai?
I taken construction management plus BIM course.
Okay, in construction management, what and all topics you have covered and what you have learned?
I acquired skills like reading of drawing, bar bending schedule preparation, QS, QA and QC, and some software skills like AutoCAD, SketchUp, Revit. That's all. And they provide industry site visit also.
Okay. You have visited many sites and showroom, right?
Yes.
So which and all showroom and site you have visited and what you have learned through it?
I visited in construction oriented. I visited Victoria Hospital, Green Building. In there, I learned about what are the things they use for construction, like what type of brick they use, like that.
For which role you have selected, Rajadurai?
I selected for quantity surveyor.
Okay. Like in interview, how many rounds were there?
They conducted 3 rounds. First round is written test, and second round is personal interview. Third round is technical HR.
Okay. Like how the trainers supported towards to crack the interview?
They conduct some test for related to that job, and they provide a CMTI app that is helpful to write the test also.
How is the trainers and Ashok sir supported towards your completing the course and cracking the interview?
Advice about the interviewer, how was they will ask the questions, and what type of questions they asked, how to prepare for that. They told about that. It's very useful to crack the interview.
Okay. Like how is the coordinators and all supported towards you?
If anytime I will go and ask some doubt, means they will clear anytime. And that Natajan sir, Virpaksa sir, Tamilmani sir, they are give some more explanation about that course and which company. If I ask about any company, what role is best. If I ask any doubt, means they will clear that.
Okay, have used the CMTI app, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how it was useful?
If we didn't uh, attend the class clearly, and sometimes we didn't concentrate during the class hours. On that time, that app is very helpful. If we went to home and anytime we will have any doubt, means we go through the app. It will help for.
Okay. Congratulations for the placement. Have
Thank
a
you.
bright future.
Thank you.
Thank you.